Have you ever wondered how to quickly find your best-selling product in Excel without adding numbers manually? Let's walk through it using an ice cream factory example. Our sheet has 3 columns: week, units sold, and flavor. Our research problem is which flavor sold the most units in total. You can find the link to this sheet from the description. Step 1. Let's find all the flavors automatically. We use =, opening parentheses, C2, C100, closing parentheses. Here, C2 to C100 is the range where all the flavors are listed. The unique function scans through the column and pulls out each flavor only once. So instead of seeing chocolate listed 20 times, we'll just see it once in our list. Step 2. Now we calculate the total sales for each flavor. In the cell next to your first flavor, type =SUMIF, opening parentheses, C, comma, E2, comma, B, closing parentheses. Here's how it works. C2C tells Excel where to look for the flavor names. E2 is the specific flavor we want to total, for example chocolate, and B2B is the column with the numbers, the units sold. So Excel checks every row in column C, and whenever it sees chocolate, it adds up the matching units from column B. Finally, we drag the formula down alongside our list of flavors, so Excel will automatically calculate the totals for each flavor. To do that, click on the cell with the formula, then hover over the small square in the bottom right corner. That's the fill handle. When the cursor turns into a plus sign, drag it down alongside your flavor list, and Excel will automatically calculate the totals for each flavor. From here, it's easy to see the bestseller and recommend it to management. If you'd like to take your Excel skills a step further, check out my other video on the VLOOKUP function for searching through dynamic tables. I'll link it right here. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an Excel tip. Thanks for watching and have a great day.